These woodworking tools might look simple at first, but they can completely change how you build, cut, and fix things. Some of these tools save you time, some improve precision, and a few are just insanely satisfying to use. If you're into DIY, home projects, or smart tools that actually make your work easier, you're gonna love this. Let's get into it. This might look like a regular wrench, but it works completely differently. Instead of adjusting sizes manually, it automatically grips anything you hold, from small bolts to larger pipes, with just one squeeze. It combines the control of pliers with the versatility of a full wrench set, replacing multiple sizes in a single tool. And the best part? You can use it one-handed, making quick adjustments faster and way more efficient. Once you try this, going back to traditional wrenches feels outdated. If your tools aren't sharp, nothing works the way it should. This sharpening system fixes that, with precise angle control that keeps your blade perfectly aligned every time. The built-in guide makes sharpening smooth, stable, and surprisingly easy, even if you've never done it before. It works with both chisels and planer blades, covering most common sizes in one setup. And because everything stays steady, you get a clean, razor-sharp edge, without guesswork. Once you use this, dull tools just won't be an option anymore. Drilling perfect holes isn't as easy as it looks, but this tool makes it almost effortless, with precise positioning that keeps everything aligned. It combines measuring, marking, and drilling into one system, so you don't have to guess or redo your work. The adjustable guides and built-in level help you stay accurate, even on tricky surfaces. Whether you're installing handles, building cabinets, or working on DIY projects, this saves time and avoids mistakes. If you've ever used a table saw, you know how dangerous kickback can be. This simple tool fixes that by holding your wood firmly in place while you cut. It keeps everything aligned, steady, and much more controlled. That means cleaner cuts, better accuracy, and a much safer workflow. The best part? You can adjust it in seconds with just one hand. It may look simple, but the difference it makes is huge. Once you try this, cutting without it just doesn't feel safe anymore. This might look like a simple pencil, but it solves a very real problem. Most pencils can't reach tight spots or deep holes, and that's where this one stands out. With its extended tip design, you can mark areas that regular pencils simply can't reach. It also comes with thicker, stronger lead, so it won't snap easily during heavy use. And the built-in sharpener means it's always ready, right when you need it. It works on wood, metal, plastic, pretty much anything you're working with. Once you start using this, regular pencils just feel limited. Getting the exact shape of an object is usually a guessing game, but this tool makes it incredibly simple. Just press it against any surface, and it instantly copies the exact contour. You can then transfer that shape directly onto your material for a perfect fit every time. It works on pipes, edges, corners, even irregular shapes that are hard to measure. And with its adjustable design, you can lock the shape in place for precise cuts. This might look like a toy, but it's seriously powerful. This mini chainsaw cuts through branches in seconds with almost no effort. It's lightweight, cordless, and easy to control with just one hand. That means faster cuts, less fatigue, and way more convenience for quick jobs. Despite its small size, the motor is strong enough to handle real work, not just light trimming. And with built-in safety features, it stays controlled while you use it. Dropping screws while working is one of the most annoying things. This fixes that instantly. With strong built-in magnets, it keeps screws, nails, and bits right on your wrist, always within reach. No more bending down, no more losing small parts. It's lightweight, adjustable, and comfortable to wear all day. Whether you're doing quick fixes or bigger projects, everything stays exactly where you need it. After using this, you'll wonder why you didn't have it sooner. Getting clean, accurate lines isn't always easy. This tool makes it much more precise and a lot more flexible. You can adjust it into different shapes to mark straight lines, arcs, or even more complex patterns. Once it's set, it stays locked in place, so every mark is consistent. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere you go. And because it handles multiple marking tasks, you don't need separate tools for each job. It just makes your work faster, cleaner, and far more accurate. Rough edges can ruin an otherwise perfect piece. This tool fixes that, in seconds. It lets you trim and chamfer wood edges quickly, creating smooth, clean finishes with minimal effort. You can adjust the cutting depth, depending on how much material you want to remove. And with its sharp blades and stable design, it glides smoothly across the surface. Even if you're new to woodworking, it's easy to control and get consistent results. It's a simple upgrade that makes your projects look way more professional. Tight spaces can make simple jobs frustrating, but this screwdriver solves that. With a design that moves in ways most tools can't. It rotates and bends into multiple positions, so you can reach angles that are normally impossible. That means less struggle and a lot more control in awkward spots. It's cordless, rechargeable, and powerful enough for everyday tasks. The built-in light also helps you see exactly what you're doing, even in darker areas. And once you get used to the flexibility, going back to a standard screwdriver just feels limiting. It's one of those tools that quietly makes everything easier. Instead of switching between multiple tools, this one does it all. From cutting and sanding, to polishing, drilling, and engraving. With adjustable speed, you can control exactly how powerful it needs to be for each task. It's compact, easy to handle, and works on wood, metal, plastic, and more. That means fewer tools, less hassle, and more flexibility in your projects. Fixing things at home doesn't have to take forever. This cordless staple gun makes it quick and effortless. With just one press, it drives staples or nails into different materials, clean and secure. No cables, no compressor, just grab it and start working. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and powerful enough for everyday repairs. Whether you're fixing furniture, fabric, or small projects, it gets the job done fast. It's one of those tools that turns small tasks into quick wins. Rough surfaces can ruin the look of your project. This tool fixes that, quickly and precisely. With its compact design and angled tip, it reaches corners and tight spots with ease. It sands smoothly, removing imperfections and leaving a clean finish behind. Despite its size, it's powerful enough to handle detailed work without slowing you down. And because it's lightweight, you can use it comfortably for longer periods. It's a simple way to turn rough edges into a smooth, professional finish. Removing stuck residue can be frustrating. This tool makes it quick and effortless. With sharp, replaceable blades, it removes paint, glue, stickers, and stubborn buildup with ease. You can switch between metal and plastic blades depending on the surface you're working on. That means strong cleaning without damaging more delicate materials. It's simple to use, easy to control, and works on a wide range of surfaces. A small tool that makes a big difference when it comes to cleaning.